Thank you for purchasing the SLE Off-Road 16 Plus Tacoma battery tray. Part number SOK2021. This tray is to install a Group 31 or two Group 35s/75s in your 16 Plus Tacoma, depending on which battery tie down you purchase when you purchase the battery tray. First step is to remove the negative battery terminal. Next step is to remove the positive battery terminal and the factory battery tie down. Then the tray and the battery. And now it's time to install the riv nuts.
Using the proper size drill bit, enlarge the factory holes in these locations and
install the first two riv nuts in these locations and loosen the side bolt. Then loosely install the supplied side bracket and mark the location for the third riv nut. Make sure that the side bracket is flat and flush to the top of the factory battery plate. Once the holes drilled and the riv nuts installed, tighten all hardware on the side bracket, including the bolt that you loosened earlier. Now it's time to remove the factory oil filler neck. Do so by loosening these two nuts. Then install the supplied oil filler neck. Then install the battery tray. Slide it all the way to the passenger side and check clearances around the tray to make sure that it's not interfering with any wires or oil or coolant lines. Then install the J-bolts loosely onto the battery tie down. Once the hardware is tightened, give the battery a shove back and forth to make sure that the hardware is tight enough. And here's what it will look like if you install two Group 35s or 75s. In either case, once the hardware is tight, be sure to add the additional jam nuts. After that's all done, top it off with your favorite battery terminal.